I'm nervous.
I'm nervous too.
Yeah, I don't know what's gonna look like on it. Oh, that's a lot of stuff.
You know how old that thing is?
Oh, what is?
That cat.
I don't even know what I'm reading right now. Girl, that's Felix the cat. Hell yeah, I know he old. Want to know more about your items? Oh, God, yes. Let me scan that. Okay. Gotta smell it. Mmm.
I told you. Kind of smells like rain soap. But don't say anything. Great. I guess. Actually, no, I like it.
It's just flavored water.
Oh, I like that, actually.
It's not bad.
I like it.
It doesn't have like a very harsh taste. It tastes like something I